Okay, we're back for the second part of lesson 1, unit 2, where I just ran out of time there in the last video to go over the homework assignment. So let's do that right now. So what we have here is we have your assignment. And your assignment is to go into Materials in Schoology, click on week 1. I'm going to fix that. It's week 3, lesson 1, equivalent ratios using the Google Doc, and complete the exercises. And then submit your assignment. And please let me know if you have questions. Here's some examples that we're working through. So the way it works is that, let's see if I can do this here like this and go over like this. Here we go. Example number 1. We'll just do it right here. So they want equivalent ratios for this. So you have a 1-to-2 ratio, and somebody wrote down 2-to-4 and 3-to-6. What I would do is I would take that and go 1-to-2, 2-to-4. Get this out of my way, and 3-to-6. And that way I can see it in a table format, and I can say, oh yeah, those look like they're equivalent ratios, because the same factor, if I multiply by 2 here and 2 here, that would be the same. And if I go out here and I multiply by 3 here, that's a 3. And then I take this one down here and multiply by 3. Yeah, so these are equivalent ratios. Okay. So here on this one, what I would do is, let's see here. Let's see if I can't get rid of that. And sorry about that. So 3-to-4. So I have a 3. Way I would do it, I go 3-to-4, and then I'd say I need 2 more. So what if I multiply by 2? That seems reasonable. So 3 times 2 would be 6, and 2 times 4 would be 8. Okay, those are equivalent ratios. Let's multiply by 3 now on the first ratio. Well, that would give me 9 and 12. So those are examples of how you can build equivalent ratios by just looking at the factor between them. So here a factor of times 2, here was a factor of times 3. Okay, now in the last section of the homework, there'll be a table. So you have here, you need to figure out what this is here. That's what they're looking for. And this is a table, but they just took the table and they put it on its edge. So here's my first ratio right here. That's 11-to-2. So here I could go do this again. And then I give you the number, then I just write the numbers down. So here's 22, and here is 8. So to figure this out, what do you see? Well, what do you notice? Well, let's look at this first one here. Go from here to here. How do you get from 11 to 22? You multiply by 2. Oh, and since I got to do the same factor on both sides, I can multiply by 2. So this would be 4. Oh, so 11-to-2 is the same, and equivalent ratio is 22-to-4. And down here, I might ask myself, well, what times 2 equals 8? Well, I know that's 4. Multiply by 4. So if I go here, 4 times 11 would be, let me get that, move that over. That would be 44-to-8. So this one is going to be 4. This one's going to be 44. So what number times so I go here. What number times 2 is 16? Well, that'd be 8. So 8 times 11 would be 88. So that's how you do your homework assignment. Went over a couple examples and see if these can help you. And if you have further questions, please let me know. So this is the part 2 of lesson 1, unit 2 video lesson. And I'll look forward to seeing you in class. Thank you. Keep it up. You're doing a good job.